This means certain relationships between the building blocks of our world have fixed relationships. So the interpretation: effective elementary length scale derived from flux count z, xi, and then elementary length is approximately, okay, the original estimate, as we saw before, was about 10 to the 93 meters, and that. So this comes out to be 6 times 10 to the 92 meters. So this result is a 1 magnitude off from the initial physics project estimates. The seemingly remarkable thing is that the original estimates were calculated in a very different way. The original estimates use a logarithmic plot, which is basically using the Hubble time over there. The original calculation uses the Hubble time, age of universe, to help estimate chi. Further calculations and transcendental equations are employed to generate a logarithmic plot, c. For full details, see the page we were just on, and we can see that's that little plot over there. Our value of g is 7 times 10 to the 112 is within the ballpark, so to speak. Again, perhaps a simple numerological coincidence, but it does raise the question: why is it a coincidence, and may there be something deeper? So, yes, bada bing, bada boom. Oh, jeez. Oh, Indrahil. Yeah, I had meant to message Professor. I forgot his name, but I remember. Yeah, he had asked about people he should interview. I'm like, I still need to message him that. That's a good idea. Thank you for reminding me. God, I'm so scatterbrained. All right. Following our given convention, we find the following results for elementary time and energy. So time, we get 2 times 10 to the negative 100 seconds for elementary time within using the Wolfram framework. So that compares to the original estimate of 10 to the minus 101 seconds. So we're within 1 magnitude there. Energy, 4 times 10 to the minus 29 electron volts versus elementary energy of 10 to the negative 30 electron volts, so we're within 1 magnitude there. Again, we must stress, the only reason this path was followed was the seeming ability to replicate the original physics project estimates by another methodology. However, as has been highlighted earlier, if we are to interpret energy and momentum as excess fluxes of causal edges in space and time, perhaps there is some notion of the dimension of flux. Thank you, Wolfram Alpha. Following the same schema, we return elementary values for the following dimensions of measure. So basically we had our elementary length there, 10 to the 92 meters, elementary time, 10 to the minus 100 meters, seconds, elementary energy, 10 to the minus 29 electron volts, elementary mass, 10 to the minus 65 kilograms, elementary charge, 10 to the minus 75 coulombs, elementary current, 10 to the minus 31 amperes, and elementary temperature, 10 to the minus 25 Kelvin. Okay, should be capitalized. All these values are within 1 magnitude of initial estimates. This is not surprising, as they are all being scaled by the same factor of g is negative. No, it's not negative. It's just 1/2. There we go. Pardon me. Let's make our table bigger. There we go. All right, so as we can see here, you got that. So basically everything's within 1. And then, all right. I think we were supposed to put these back. Whatever. Okay. Save. Pardon. I know, I'm so terrible. For instance, whatever value we set for g, the magnitude difference between the elementary length and time will be c, or the speed of light in a vacuum. This means certain relationships between the building blocks of our world. This means certain relationships between the building blocks of our world have fixed relationships. This leads us to the notion of coherence within whatever system of units we choose to employ.